Hey! What's up, everyone? Gohar here. And if you've watched this channel before, I nerd out hard on anything digital video, especially when it comes to ad tech and streaming infrastructure. But today's topic, oh man, this one's not just nerdy, it's crucial. Like foundational if you're working in OTT, FAST channels, or digital ad monetization. We're talking about something that sounds simple but has a huge impact on how you deliver ads in your video content. Server side ad insertion versus client side ad insertion. Now I know. You might be thinking, ugh, this sounds like backend stuff. Not my thing. But wait, I promise you this. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real world differences. You'll know which one to use, when to use it, and how it actually affects your bottom line. Yes, the actual money you make from ads. So, whether you're a tech lead, a marketer, a product manager, or just curious how Netflix, YouTube, or Disney Plus serve ads to different people, this is for you. Let's go. Okay, let's break it down with a super relatable example. Picture this. You and your friend are watching the same live stream. Let's say it's a huge cricket final being streamed through a major OTT app. It's halftime. The host signs off for a break. Boom, ad time. Now here's where it gets fun. You, sitting in Mumbai, get an ad for Flipkart's new smart TVs. Super crisp, maybe even interactive. Meanwhile, your friend in Bangalore gets a completely different ad, maybe for a food delivery service based on their recent browsing history. Both of you, same video, same exact second, but two different ads. Why? Because of dynamic ad insertion or DAI, and it doesn't stop there. One of you might have a seamless experience. The ad just plays smoothly. No loading screen, no black frames. The other, buffering, lag. Maybe even an ad that doesn't load at all. That's where how the ad is inserted, server side versus client side, becomes a big deal. All right, so let's unpack this like I'm explaining to a friend over coffee. Because trust me, this confused me too when I first joined the industry. Server side ad insertion, or SSAI, is like baking the ad into the cake. Think of it like this. Before the video ever reaches your phone, the ad is already stitched in. It becomes part of the video stream. So, when your device plays it, it's just one smooth ride. No separate loading, no switching. This is perfect for live content, sports, award shows, concerts, anything where buffering would ruin the vibe. On the flip side, we've got client-side ad insertion, or CSAI. Here, your app, like the OTT player on your phone, says, "Hold up, I'm going to request an ad now from the ad server." And it plays that ad separately. This is where personalization magic happens. Your app knows who you are, what you watched, and what products you looked up last night. So you get ads tailored just for you. But here's the trade off: SSAI equals better stability and compatibility. Even across low end devices and smart TVs, CSAI equals better targeting and tracking, but it relies more on the device bandwidth and whether the user has ad blockers installed. Let's talk numbers. Let's talk money. Because at the end of the day, whether you're a marketer or a broadcaster, what you care about is performance, how well your ads convert, how smoothly your campaigns run, and whether you're wasting impressions or not. With SSAI, you're less likely to have users drop off. The ad loads fast and playback is buttery smooth. Especially important if your audience watches on TVs or slower connections. That equals better completion rates, higher viewability, and fewer tech problems. But if you want laser sharp targeting, like show this ad only to 25 to 35-year-old gamers in Pune who abandoned their cart yesterday, then SSAI alone won't get you there. You need CSAI. You need device level data. You need tracking pixels. You need to run A/B creative tests and get real-time feedback. The problem? With CSAI, things break more often. You might lose ad impressions if someone has a poor network. You might get blocked by ad blockers. You might lose attribution if something fails midstream. So, the big trade off: SSAI is reliable but less smart. CSAI is smart but less reliable. Both have a role, but you've got to know when to play which card. Okay, let's put this all together. Here's the simple checklist I use when helping clients decide. Checkmark: use SSAI when you're doing live streams, you want a stable TV grade experience, your viewers use smart TVs or legacy devices, you need to beat ad blockers, use CSAI when you're running targeted brand campaigns, you want in-depth analytics, user behavior data, you need A/B testing or dynamic creative. Your users are mostly on mobile or logged in apps, and the real pros? They do both. They set up hybrid DAI systems where SSAI handles the delivery, and CSAI layers on the targeting, logic, analytics, and optimization. It's tricky to build, but when done right, game changer. Quick tip for my fellow marketers: the next time your team buys ad space or runs a campaign with a streaming platform, ask this simple question: are you using SSAI or CSAI? If they say SSAI, ask how you'll measure success. Will you get conversion data? Viewer interactions? Is there post-roll tracking? If they say CSAI, awesome. But then test for stability. Try it on a 3G network. Try it on a 4-year-old phone. Check how resilient it is. This question alone shows you're not just spending ad dollars blindly. You're optimizing for delivery, experience, and outcome. And that's what smart marketers do. So here's my final word. DAI is not some backend buzzword. It's one of the most powerful revenue levers in streaming today, but only if you use it with purpose. If you're running a live event, go with SSAI. If you're targeting niche audiences, CSI is your friend. And if you can build both into your stack, you're ahead of 90% of the market. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know this was a deep one, but I hope you feel more confident now making smart decisions about your ad tech setup. And hey, if you want help implementing DAI the right way, reach out to us at Sigma DAI. We help broadcasters and brands get it right, from tech to targeting to results. Drop your questions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, because next episode is Hybrid DAI, the future of streaming ads in 2025. This is Gohar, signing off with love, logic, and lots of layers in your video pipeline. Stay smooth, stay profitable. See ya.